Expert testimony of video. New Zealand Haitama Group, 4, University of Maryland Global Campus, UMGC, date February 22nd, 2020. My name is Nazrul Muzumdar. What is digital forensics? Digital forensic is the preservation, identification, extraction, interpretation, and documentation of computer evidence which can be used in the court of law. The benefit of digital forensics. Digital forensics help to protect, solve cases involving theft of intellectual property. This pertains to any act allow access to patent, trade secret, customer data, and any confidential information. Financial fraud, this pertains to anything that uses fraudulent solicitation of victims' information to conduct fraudulent transactions. Hackers' system penetration, taking advantage of vulnerabilities of systems, software using tools such as rootkits and snippers, distribution and execution of viruses and worms. These are the most common form of crime and often cause the most damages. Digital forensic challenges. A digital forensics examiner must be well versed in which actions are legal and illegal before processing digital evidence. Tools and techniques utilized by the examiner must be able to withstand challenges in a court of law. The digital forensics examiner must properly handle the evidence. Legal challenges involving foreign countries. The Hague Convention provides a procedure for obtaining evidence located in foreign countries. All countries of the world have not signed the Hague Convention. China data transfer law are legal barrier to production of cross-border discovery materials in US federal court. Digital right management technology controls digital information resources, including media, can be accessed, copied, distributed, reformed, or otherwise changed. Forensic international laws. European Union Network and Information Security Directive adopted in January 2016. The United States National Cybersecurity Laws, the Computer and Abuse Act, and Electronic Communication Privacy Act, Cybersecurity Act of 2015. New Zealand Forensics Acts. The Criminal Investigation Act 1995 gives the police power to collect and use DNA in investigation crime. The New Zealand Bill of Rights Act 1990, Charge and Surveillance Act 2012, and Intelligence and Security Act 2017. Cybersecurity standard organized in the world. Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, IEEE, International Organization for Standardization, ISO, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, Internet Engineering Task Force, IETE, TF, National Institute of Standard and Technology, NIST. Collecting and storing seized evidence. Two major focus for evidences: collection of evidence, preservation of evidence. Collection of evidence should use tools and techniques that meet the debarred standards, follow established technique for retrieving information from computer system using forensic software that has been tested and verified to perform correctly, clone the data and save in an empty device, isolating the original device for safekeeping. Collecting and storing seized evidence. Admissibility of evidence in court is at the discretion of the judge, who applies the relevant rules of evidence. Digital forensic ethical concerns. Fears of unpredictability, breach of privacy, exploitation of tools, commercial and market share motives, standardization of practice, inconsistent educational training outcome, etc. Honesty, fairness, good reputation, consistency, goodwill, proficiency, and sense of community is the conflict effect in the investigation. How protecting US soil and citizens during investigation. All means necessary, including military force, to defend American citizens from ICC prosecution. Forensic analysis guidelines. The investigator should maintain the objectivity and present findings. All matters should be testified in truthfully before the court. The examiner should not take any action that would appear to be in interest of conflict. Examination must be based on the well-established and validated principles. The examiner is forbidden to reveal any confidential information without the client permission or a court order. The investigator is not allowed to misrepresent credential or associated membership.